Hey guys, time for another Boxycharm unboxing and re-review. Today I'm sick, so there will be no brushing of the hair, no wearing of makeup, nothing. I've got on Doug's robe because, you know, it's like the forbidden fruit thing. Feels better when you're sick. And I'm pretty sure this is a momentous video. Because I'm pretty sure this is my last Boxycharm unboxing. I'd paid for a year back in April last year. And pretty sure there won't be one more. I've already canceled my subscription. It was really easy to do. I just hopped on the website and said, you know, unsubscribe me. They might have asked one or two questions about why and if I'm sure. And I was like, yep. And I've got another subscription box picked out and ready to go once this one's done. Of course, next month I will be posting my like 1 year kind of retrospective of Boxycharm. I have a lot of thoughts on Boxycharm. This one's like super hard to open. But let's take a look at the goods in this last box. La Vie en Rose is the theme of this box, which I'm really feeling in spring this year. Obviously not while I'm sick, but so I'm digging this. Let's see what is in here. First we have a box of brushes. These are from Moda, which I've never heard of, and it's got a powder brush and a soft glow brush. Moda brush. Have any of you heard of Moda before? These are very, this is like such a delicate feeling brush. I actually like a little bit stiffer brushes, but I'm definitely going to try this for a highlight or maybe like kicking off powder. This brush is a little bit more dense. This is definitely a nice brush. Oh, they're so soft too. Pretty sure they are synthetic. Yeah, they say rose gold tapered handles and synthetic two-toned white to umber colored fibers. Cruelty-free, 100% vegan. So cool. I've had really good luck with brushes in beauty boxes, and these ones seem very beautiful, very different than other brushes. Like if you get Luxie brushes, they're nice, but they're like nothing special. Where these ones like actually kind of unique. Happy to have that. Can't ever go wrong with that type of thing. Next we have a Wander Beauty Lift Off. Oh, how much are those brushes worth? Those brushes are worth $29.95, so they're not even that expensive. Of course, that's in US dollars, but 30 bucks for two brushes, not too bad. Next we have the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask, which masking sounds amazing when you're sick, but like my nose is so sore that I don't want to do any peel off masks. Anyway, this is a rose gold pearl peel off mask. $34, so I guess that's not too bad. It is a very generous size bottle. Beautiful packaging. They're really on theme this month with the packaging with the rose. So yeah, I like it. I'm excited to try that out. Maybe we can do a face mask Friday with that guy. I have another lipstick. Ofra long lasting liquid lipstick. We got one in a previous box. Mine was like a red orange color. This one looks to be almost like a metallic pink. I would put it on, but like I feel like dying, so I'm not going to. But I will definitely let you know next month what I feel about it. And maybe I can do a full wear test on Ofra now that I've got a couple products to try out. I like this packaging. Normally I'm not really huge on the square packaging, but these are pretty classy looking. They remind me of like M Cosmetics for some reason. Or whatever Michelle Phan's new line is. Whoa, look at this. This is a peel. Oh, wait. Oh my god, I'm like so having a hard time today. This is $20. Pretty pricey for a lipstick. The Appeal Cosmetics, never heard of Appeal Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow. It's $21, which for an eyeshadow, that is a ton of product. Oh, I expected a doe foot, but it actually comes on a brush. Seems very beautiful. This will definitely, I think, be a nice wear test. pretty much like liquid gold on there. Very beautiful. It seems to just be kind of a mix between glitter and like almost like a powdery substance in a liquid. Very interesting. And lastly, this big guy. This is from Color Effects, but it's like the weirdest packaging. And oh, it's like a little face palette. Whoa. Okay. This is the Cover Effects Perfection Face Palette. It says 6 must-have complexion essentials. We've got 2 highlighters, 1 pink toned, 1 more gold toned, a brightener, a finishing powder that looks like it's pretty shiny as well, a bright pink blush, and this contour, which like this barely looks like a contour on me. I can't imagine how many people actually are able to use this. This is actually in a shade. It's called Light Medium. So Boxycharm is one of those brands where you can't pick your skin tone, I don't think. So a little bit questionable that they included this, because what about everybody who would not be suited towards these colors? I also feel like I'm really overwhelmed by highlights lately. So that this has like 3 highlighters, 2 brighteners, 2 highlighters and that brightener. It's like, oh my god. How am I ever gonna go through all my highlighters, you guys? Okay, so let's quickly recap. This is the $45 value. And we got a lip product, an eyeshadow, a face palette, a skincare item. Oh, and then those 2 brushes. Do I have enough hands? Nice range of products. It's nice that they paired these guys with like a face palette. Makes a lot of sense. Now this is kind of dried down a bit and seems to be sticking on pretty good. A little bit of sparkles move around, but interesting. Okay, so that is this month's box. Very on theme. I think this is the most like tightly themed product or entire box that we've ever seen from Boxycharm. And overall I'm pretty happy with all of the things. But yeah. Next month I will report back and let you know what I think about all the products. For now, let's look back at February's box and see how those things are. So last month you'll remember we got the Touch and Soul No Pore Blum primer. Oh my god. Today is just like, ugh. I don't know. I really don't like even touching the outside of this because it gives you that like super slippery feel. I keep forgetting to use this as a primer. I'm going through some other primers right now, and I feel like I'm not going to really enjoy it just because it's like too slippery. I don't mind a little bit of slick, but like on greasy skin, that slippery, like I can feel it without even touching any product. Just touching the bottle made my hands feel slippery, so it's a little concerning. We got the Pharmacy Clean Beat Facial Cleanser, which you can see I've been using. I really like this a lot. It does work to help remove your makeup. Probably need a little touch up at the end after. Stings the eyes maybe a tiny little bit, nothing crazy. And yeah, it smells nice. I like it. So far, the 2 things I've tried from Pharmacy I've been really enjoying. The Pretty Vulgar highlighter. Okay. Confession time, I haven't used it at all. Like I said, I have too many highlighters on the go right now, and Boxycharm seems to send 1 or 3 each month, so I feel like I'm a little bit too paralyzed with highlighters to really be enjoying each individual one. Next, the Tray Stick. This is the Prime and Color Lip Glaze in English Rose. Let's get some of this on. The balm here, it's not like super balmy. I mean, it is a balm. It isn't like super coating on your lips. And the color is pretty. I'm not too sure about the shape. And it just kind of glides over top of the primer. Really natural looking color. I've worn it a couple times. But something about Tray Stick, the products are just like so underwhelming that I just can't really fall in love with them. I think I love the packaging so much. And it looks so cool, but then like when I go to use it, I'm just like, meh, could take it or leave it. Last thing we got last month was the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is just a full size in black. And if you've been watching some of my wear tests lately, you'll probably already know that a long time ago I did a wear test with a small like travel size and I hated it. And I do not like the full size either. It just doesn't stay on my face. I don't know, it just flakes off everywhere. I guess everybody's eye chemistry, face chemistry is a little bit different. And I know so many people love it, but this one just doesn't work for me. There's so many other better mascaras out there than Better Than Sex. I will take Sex any day compared to this mascara. But yeah, that is a look at this month's Boxycharm and last month's Boxycharm. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to kind of take a chill day here while I'm recovering from my little cold. I'm eating Halls nonstop. Yeah. So this is pretty much the end of Boxycharm. It ended on, you know, a pretty good note, I would say. And of course, I'm going to be constructing my full spreadsheet with full ratings and the full report for next month, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoy watching those. I feel like the opening and re-reviewing portion is like just kind of working up to this final moment where I give my full report. So hope you enjoy that. I'll probably try posting it on Reddit too. I like sharing the info, especially as a Canadian, to see if it's worth it. We can add up the costs. Do a little cost-benefit analysis, and yeah, see what I think, see how much I discarded, give it the old once-over. So, yeah, I'm rambling again. That's it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys are all well and able to breathe out of both of your nostrils. With that, I will see you in my next beauty video. Bye for now.